Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make volume fans using the Volume Dot. It makes lashing so much easier when you're first learning how to fan, as it basically just fans it out for you as long as you use it correctly. So what you want to do is just grab your few lashes off the lash strip, just like so. And then using a fairly firm pressure, you want to sort of bend the tweezer backwards and put a little bit of pressure on the volume dot here, as you can see, and then just let go and it fans out. So if you need to do any correction with your tweezer to space them out a little bit, you can do that as well. Then you can go ahead and pick up your fan. And then just gently graze in the top bit of your glue, making sure the glue is fresh, and just slowly remove from the glue there. And you have your fan.